Hello, my sunshines. I am just sitting here on another adventure. I've already walked some and just decided to stop and film. I like doing these types of videos, even if I am able to get out there and do one, or if I remember to film at this point. You know, work and everything else, so I need to definitely learn to reconnect better with nature and with myself. So, you know, hope you're doing well. I'll be here and there and everywhere, but you know, I don't know, enjoy the day, okay? Don't forget to get outside and enjoy nature. Peace. Oh, snake! Woo! Cool. Oh gosh, why did I decide to do this? But yeah, I'm gonna be doing connection with nature more, just being outside. I can keep buying stuff, I don't have any room for it. And basically just want to, you know, relax and not feel so pressured to not want to enjoy myself, because I enjoy myself out here. You know, this is me. Still want to connect, share adventures with you. You can share adventures with me too. You know, take a walk, see what it's like. It's beautiful. You know, I know some have difficulties because of physical issues and whatnot, but you know, and I understand that. So, alright, I'm just gonna walk a little. Ooh, hopefully I don't trip on rocks. But yeah, peaceful, right? Peace. This honestly might be my last video for a while. Just because I'm working a lot and signed up for a lot of OT, and I just don't feel like doing it, you know? Lasted a little while, but I feel like it's just, what am I gonna buy so I can show it to everybody, and I don't have the money. I'm working too hard for that. So, but I still might show videos like this every once in a while. You know, all my little adventures in between working, of course. But yeah, I'm still working on loving myself. I had a little lapse, and you know, I'm still trying to find myself, and you know, always remember who you are. Don't let anybody ever stand in the way of that. Oh. I left my water mug. I have to turn around, but look. That's how forgetful I am. I left my water mug over there, and I just forgot it. Look at that tree. But yeah, alright, I gotta get my mug. Peace. It's so peaceful out here. Not a soul.